Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off the voice of your VIOMI S9 Alpha vacuum cleaner. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our Xiaomi Home app and make sure that our VIOMI is connected to the Xiaomi Home app. So once we're done with that, we can click on our vacuum cleaner and then click on the three dots on the top right here. And now that we are in the settings of the vacuum cleaner, we can scroll down to the voice settings section and find the volume switch. So this option disables or enables the voice of your robot. So for example, when you're going to click on the power button and start its cleaning, it's not going to use its voice. So it's going to stay quiet. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped, and make sure to like and subscribe.